In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add top and bottom blur in CapCut PC. Start by opening up your CapCut PC app. Then next is add in your video and drag it to your timeline. Trim the video as necessary. Next is change the aspect ratio of the video by clicking on the ratio button and change it to 9:16. Next, in the video section at the right corner, scroll down until you get to the canvas section. Click on this drop down menu to open it up. And as you can see, it is currently set to none. And from here, we're gonna click this and change it to blur. Next is choose the blur that you would like to apply in your video. Change the intensity according to your preference. And just by that, the blur effect will automatically be applied at the top and bottom of your video. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!